Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, All India Motorbike Riders. Today I came with an idea to modify this Pannier rail or saddle stay used on the Meteor 350 bikes, Royal Enfield. I know you are already aware of this part which will be fitted to the right side part of the vehicle. However, the Royal Enfield store or any other aftermarket, there is no part available on the left side part. So it was becoming a very problem for me to carry any luggage on the left side part. So I decided to buy the right side part and then to invert this holders on the left side so that it can be fitted to the left side part of the bike. You can see the cross section of the model. This is flat and only these parts are inverted. So what I'm going to do is to invert this thing, lightly grind this part and I will do the inversion. This is not my unique idea. However, I have seen so many people, one or two members out of India who have done this modification. I like that part. So I copied from them and trying myself for this vehicle in India for the first time. I think nobody has made this thing till today in the YouTube in India. This costs around 2,250 rupees, original one. I bought this in the OLX in the second-hand market. So it costed me around 1,000 and the modification part will be around 200. Please do watch the full video so that you will be understanding how much efforts I have made and then how it looks on the bike. I will put it on the bike and I will show the video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more modifications and ideas. Thank you. So finally the work is completed, guys. Here you can see the welding part I inverted is only the main drawback is I think I have made a mistake over here, but many people have did inverse like this here. So the other part is here. I inverted it and fixed this. This is very sturdy. You can see very strong. Maximum it will carry the load of 10 to 50 kg. Even it was carrying my weight as well. So you can see that much strength it was having. You can see the both sides. Now my task is completed. It's look really nice here on the bike, right? The both side. Even it is very strength. Because that much capacity it has. So you can see. Even though I am not perfect in welding, I tried my best to do this part. So thank you. Now I will paint it accordingly and later I will see what the look it will come. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So this is the painted version of my bike. You can observe how beautiful it is looking. And now from back side you can see we got two sides of saddle stay. I will give a feedback after 1 or 2 months of its usage and see how strong and strength it has made in it.